Mwanchua Mulgeria ni Jumatatu tariki 25 mutinyi 10 mwaka yegawe chimero na 25 kingakichiniba kwarigania semesete amangana mayese nchera ayobwenye nkomanyi hayukwarganitie imeyegetesini gitokya bene Gensoko TV asengwa karambi yamono asoganda bategeremero beri yonsi korwe mambia ewika chinsa ichiga chinsa ikomigoro igoro mangana mayese nchera ayokonya chuti yeterane njengoro kwa Daniel Umwaga. Mwanchu Mulgeria amaya chinsa ikomigoro nigitoko cyachaka korwase county ya Kisii ase ekera barokibwa agwetani chimilioni 3 babo cyagokora amatemo abo umwakoyo emambe ya rero nigo abarimu abanene bekiskuru cya comprehensive kiria ja junior secondary amona abarimu bekiskuru eria yekerasi ye 12 bekerana asegetu kenene ya Kisii Central Sub County igyo okubwato kamatemo abo cia ase chi center achamatemo abarimu abo amona abanyanyimbo baria abago chia korenda matemu nigo baikirana ororo ase baikachinsa 12 cyamambya ase bayegwa amatemu ayo kawo kwana na abararia omo sub county commissioner imeyeke togia Kisii Central oyo manyeke na Joseph Mwangi asingerabuna oboiberi bwa matemu asomwa koyo mbolyo gochia gwancherwa.
We issued exams to 78 public primary schools and 14 private schools. All of them, they have carried the exam. As you can see, the buses are leaving. Deployment is very okay. You can see police officers here. They are well briefed and they are ready for the task. So all exams have been dispersed. No center has missed the exam. They are now headed to school to start the exam. We don't want any teacher to have a phone. All phones should be collected, locked in a locker and guarded by a police officer. So we don't want to fight any teacher having a phone in the exam room. We have told them, as much as we have reduced the level of the police surveillance, that does not guarantee them to do fishy things. So we are going to go to the station to ensure that as we monitor that everything that exam entails, that level of keenness is.
Mwanchu Mulgeria togotigara sensemi yo yechisemi nigomo county commissioner Erastus Wambui korwe county area Nyamira amona motendi bwechisemi esemi ya Nyamira Joshua Kaga igatia bateneni bande ibechisemi rero nigo obaikirana asamatemo chinsa 12 cyamambya ase amaga chamanene yechisemi me county ya Nyamira kawo kwana anabaralie amo omu county commissioner Erastus Wambui nigatebirenga abanyanyimbo mbaligo cya kurenda amatemo ya Kepsea amona Kejsea ase korende amatemo ya KCSE agocha koba agakorendwa abarokibwa abawochekaransera amatemo ayo namo onambarokibwa chiribu emeronge no yomo chimya isano onamo na 12 kurwasa amatemo ya KCSE abawochekaransera amatemo ayo abarokibwa bakejisea abawochekaransera amatemo abuna abarokibwa chiribu 12 chimya 2 na kianda naboigo asabarokibwa chiribu 12 chimya 2 meronge 5 nomo abawochekaransera amatemo ya Kepsea asema temwale akelea achuikanansirwa amona abarokibwa chiribu emeronge 25 nomo amona boigo ase abarokibwa kianda bachuikanansira amatemwali akeplea mwanchu Mulgeria nkomanyibwa nga bachuikanansira amatemwali akelea na abarokibwa emerongo 25 nomo boka.
Tumeanzisha leo mitihani yote katika kaunti nzima tukiwa kwa kituo cha kusambazia mitihani cha Nyamira South, Kejsea, Kepsea, Clare na Kiplea. Hizo kwa idadi ya watu ambao ama watainiwa ambao tuko nao katika hizi mitihani KCSE tuko na candidates 21,611 katika vituo 195 zikijumuisha 4 za kibinafsi na 191 za umma. Kejsea tuko na wanafunzi 17,209 ambapo tuko na vituo vya kufanyia hiyo mitihani 455, kati yamo ikiwa ni 47 za kibinafsi na 408 za umma. Kipsea tuko na watainiwa 17,786 ambapo pia tuko na vituo za kibinafsi 104 na zile za umma 406. Kwa jumla vituo vya kufanyia hiyo mitihani ni 510. CLEA ama ile inaitwa Kenya Intermediate Level Education Assessment, tuko na watainiwa 26 wakiwemo 17 wa kiume na 9 wa kike, ambapo tuko na vituo vya kufanyia hiyo mitihani 11, vyote vikiwa ni vya umma, na pia ile ingine tunaita KIPLEA ambayo ni Kenya Pre-Vocational Level Education Assessment. Tuko na watainiwa 9 wakiwemo wanawake mmoja, mwanamke mmoja. Ni onyo tu kwamba serikali inatilia maanani sana ubora wa elimu yetu na dhamana ya vyeti ambavyo vinatolewa na kutokana na mitihani ambayo tunafanya katika nchi, ili tuweze kuwa na kile tunasema credibility kwa kizungu, na ile cheti tunapeana iwe inaweza kudhaminiwa zaidi katika maeneo yote ama ulimwenguni.
Mwancho mulgereria Togos Kamotu nigo bono umuteneri w'abasubati kurwa se county ya Nyamira musubati Jerusha Mumanyi niga basabira abayibori korenda abana babo kurwa asubutumikiwe mu ryogo gutindia buna shinya sore ogose kubasara abana basubati amona maritage nkyo ekero chirusa gosekero kierusa gokwana imyanya makairo miriri ward ya Gachuba ensemo yebunga ya Kitutu Masabo yogo tokeme county ya Nyamira nigo Jerusha aichanire ebikorwa abya abana wasowa asemitandao na gwesemia aliataganiri nigo adekuja kwana ya ekran na chicha kigo chia asaba na boda boda abenseme yo ya Gachuba.
Nataka kuomba abana mnabo barangeligwe bakwanerwe engakiri yakaraba iburi bagakwanira abana mwibuno ndipwisi nakomero mwana gakomote mnabwene takomenya gati mune community tigebe chukumu letu to make sure that our young children are growing on well na maadili mazuri ekero bakwanirwe oko nyoro monto otali buya mokani nga entere yogotia teri entere ndomi koma oko nyora omomura goso moiseke otakire konyonya sore mwebererie abatabye senya sore yesimekire na inde momanye ngokonia so that you can deal with that person ikiagera bano yo ngosiriare gesa kujeito kamorante mukue macho kwa sababu lero konyira kukwabeire okonge muna bono twaikire tinga kitogo kisukuru cyabungirwe muna matemwa abo tikoera abana bakebara babungire tayari wamekuta nyumbani. Ninataka niwaombe mchunge wale watoto abantu mbalisika omonto abo tajete abo taboko abo bakorere ngintu gotero mwana abo tabango yere ngosalipi omonto yore moinako na kwerero kamarante to basako balekres. Take care of your children. Abana badia abanyaruka. Nima etenga kare rusaya ikiri badia bake ewa kungurane bara batanya kumanya ngo kwarukia abana kwaerete. Ejige koro kutenda based violence. Ngare korora ebana neremo inali eligete ngoro ya tenda based violence. Nande toko tebigwa neli tikoli bateba. Moto the prince okoba involved as tenda based violence. Oyochira against the law. Onya gogoita mukao, that is gender-based violence. Ayeno monto
Go tigana na yo mwancho mulgereria nigo bona abakori emeremo oba poster korwa asoro sagererwa busi nigo basoire asomogiro kobatkane kerianga tibagoteba tibanyagwa akanwa engera yabo asegeka kimiti enye 5 no moboika lero bagokwana nabarikia mangana ime yo mochibo songo nigo abakori emeremo abo obe murunganeirie ogwatananwa nabo igobo tumokibobe ebwe chibesa egento kere barabo ogotatwara gosegotwara emechando yogo akanwa umuyakirobo obojo mumbo amono murikia bo moneto mboya nigo aresire buna abakori emirimo abo tibali kunyarano ino gusaba chiro ni kurwesti sako ekiageranga tibanya gwakano seka kimeti enye 5 no bono egento kere barabo kumenya no bugima obokongu bwo kabesa.
really suffered. We have really suffered as the workers of Kisii branch, like any other workers all over the country. We have missed our salaries for 6 months. We have our deductions for medical, let me call them statutory deductions, that we are being recovered. They are not remitted to the right place. All the SACCOs are not able to pay us. Medical schemes, I was told they're not getting the medical scheme services. Pension is not being remitted from 2015.
Yes.
NSSF. So this PCK is really making workers to suffer.
We've really suffered as Posta employees. We've really suffered. How can we work for 6 months without salary? How? We have children who are going to school. We are paying rent. This is not acceptable, and we've downed our tools today. Today we are saying we are not going back to work until all our 6 months salary are paid. Because we make a lot of profit. Even as a branch here, we know we are making profit, but we are not seeing where this money is coming from. Can we get what we are asking for is just our salary.
Post office workers, they have gone on hunger for 6 months without pay. These people, their salaries are not coming. Hawana chochote kuweka kwa mfuko. They don't even have where to take their loans. The loans are not coming because the statutory deductions are not coming in. These are people who also have families. All of them, some of them have lost their families. Some have even died of anger. Some depression. Now, where is this company? We are calling it pastoral. Where is our money going? And we are making money here.
Murigereria tugutigara asenseme yo mugiro obw'abakore mu bensemo ya Posta nigo abakore emirimo ba Posta kuro imiye mu Nairobi na baro bakorro mugiro bo ritko oria rero kubwatikana no gutakanwa engere yabo oyemetienyi etano nomo gukwana ase chinga kyecho omoriki obo omonene oyo omanye kaine ebuna Oyisomo likiomane oyo Kenya Workers Union nigo ate Benson Okwaro nigo ate birebuna tibayo chikorana asemeremo yabo yegasi muna botambe oikabaka nirwengere yabo oyemetienyi etano onomo.
Shida ambayo tuko nayo na wafanyikazi wa Posta. The people we are seeing here together with their other colleagues walioko kule nje Mombasa, Kisumu, na ni watu ambao ni zaidi ya karibu 2,000 employees hawajapata mshahara kwa njia ambao inatakana kutoka mwaka wa 2021. Na sasa wakati tunaongea sahihi, these people have not been paid for the last 6 months na kufikia mwisho ya mwezi hii itakuwa 7 months. Na nikajiangalia nikasema nitakuwa general secretary na gani ambao members yake hawapati mshahara kwa hiyo muda yote na mnyamaza. So nilipeana notice ya strike na nilipeana tarehe 23 mwezi wa September. Sheria inataka nipeana 7 days notice. Nilipeana 30 days notice ili wawe na nafasi ya kutafuta pesa walipo wafanyikazi. 30 days ilikwisha Friday, walitafuta tu mwezi mmoja peke yake wakalipa. Na wakataka mimi niende nidhibitishe. Nimesema sitadhibitisha, afadhali niende nyumbani kwetu kuliko kunyanyaza wafanyikazi ambao wananilipa mshahara. So hapo tumekataa na tumepitisha. Na kwa vile najua mnanipa mimi support, we shall go on hata kama ni miezi 2 hata miezi 3 until we are paid. I know they have gone to court this morning. So that wanilazimishe ni call off the strike so that it becomes a contempt of court. I want to say here on the record that I am prepared to go to court. I'm prepared to go to jail for you people.
Gutigana na yo mwagiro obwa bakolimirimo ba posta emergency ya Kenya ningo bono omurai bwense litwarero achakiribe netara ya matukatato imeye county ya Nakuru elyogo chakia emeradi au ya magendera sensemeyo asitwarero achakio sokwigurwa gwibara kurensemo ya Kinamba awika asensemeria ya Mingiche na aboigo nigono ndara au muroberio bwogo simeka emete imiyorunani ruli rwamau asara au muroberio bwogo simeka emete chiribu isano litwarero nigo arenge amona barai au bekana asomoroberio yo yagati ya mwaziri boborendi nabo igogo soma ikena Roselinda Sofia Tuyan asensemeye county ya Nakuru.
Integrated Conservation and Livelihood Program yenye umetuletea na asanti Mheshimiwa Rais kwa kushikilia, that has been launched today, breathes a new life into this shared vision, and it ensures that conservation is not exclusion but inclusion, not punishment but opportunity.
Pale nyuma tulikuwa na matatizo, wananchi wanataka kupanda lakini hakuna miche ama hakuna seedlings ya kutosha. Now we have put together a comprehensive plan that is going to involve Kenya Forest Service and the National Youth Service working together to re-establish 300 nurseries in our forest areas and another 17 mega nurseries so that we can generate 1 billion seedlings every year for planting. And that exercise is already on course.
Mugireria chiabutuke kideka 15 igero chinsa 10 chiabono maragoba nabwe nongo ikerio mweria mangana mayesenchira ayo bwenye kwa kiranga munyono soko charwa tegerera egiteseni kyao kyabene egesoko TV omorogowa orero nyeni goto masagosuka ekiagera chinsa 11 igoro akorokwa Edwin Nyang'au ngo chari megege myomero biribwo ongoria mareko asakwa genti chingero chinti ngukerage echichira chikoko kyana gosemya senchira erejo bekanu abarenge mega aye chikamera kwene kinga mariogi amane chibicha awikere esenchera ayabene namo ona Brian Achaka Rose Wanja ntobwate yokanina na Doreen Kemuto Ferisas Kabendi amona director Zaka awbene kyanga maya gwikirare esenchera ere eyabene omorogo borero iretira nenje nkuru kwa Daniel omwaga twaro omorogo boro motoereru.